friends, I'm Kavish. Today's topic is treatments for cancer. First one is radiation therapy. So what radiation therapy does is it applies ionized particles to a particular area where the tumor is. So first they'll take a CT scan where the tumor is. Then they'll see the characteristics, for example, the shape, the size, etc. Then they will model that shape in the laser so it will not kill the healthy tissue and only target the tumor. Then they'll put a plaster. So for example, your arm, if the tumor is inside your arm, it will not move or shake. Otherwise, it will get disrupted and it will hit the healthy tissue, causing various problems. With this plaster, you will not move because it's like tape. And then it will be spinning around you and focus into that same spot. Then after days of this radiation therapy, then it will finally cure. Next is chemotherapy. So in the first of World War I, the beginning of World War I, there is something called mustard gas. Mustard gas made air impossible to breathe, made red eyes and made huge blisters in exposed skin. When they looked closer, then they found that mustard gas halts blood production in the bone marrow. But scientists got a discovery. Cancer cells divide recklessly or fast, just like bone marrow cells. So they tried chemicals from mustard gas and they injected into cancer patients. After trial and error, in the end of World War II, they found the first chemotherapy in existence. Now there are more than 100. So the first chemotherapy was alkylating agents. So alkylating agents, what it does is when the cell will expose its DNA and it will destroy the double helix structure of the DNA, causing its death. So there's another example of chemotherapy which is called microtubule stabilizers. So what microtubule stabilizers, what it does is, so when a cell replicates, it has some tubes. So when a cell replicates, it shreds. But microtubule stabilizers are like a lock. So it locks into that shredder or that tubes, so prevents from shredding. And then because of this, it cannot replicate and hence it will die. So over time it will die. Many side effects, for example, nausea, vomiting and hair loss. Why hair loss is happening? This is because hair loss or hair also replicates fast, just like cancer or bone marrow. So this means that all the fast replicating cells in our body get affected by the chemotherapy agent. But we have solutions to prevent hair loss. This is by cold caps. Cold cap constricts blood vessels in the brain, so less and less mustard gas or chemotherapy agents can go inside the blood vessels and go inside your hair follicles. And we also have a way to prevent nausea. We can give them strong anti-nauseant depressants, so the nausea can cure. Next is CAR T-cell therapy.